Hi all, in this video I'm going to show you guys step by step how to post a job on Facebook. Facebook has billions of users and your future employee is most likely using Facebook as we speak. So in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to quickly and easily post a job on Facebook, the questions you should ask to get the most qualified candidates, and overall how to set everything up in like less than 5 minutes of work so you can, fill that job position. So let's go right into it. So the very first thing you want to do is, of course, go to your Facebook page, and if it doesn't show it here, post a job, you should see it on the left hand side here, manage jobs, and you can be able to post one there. But first, what you want to do is just click on post a job. And then job detail, you want to post, the title of your job. So for example, Facebook gives you some examples. So we can say we're looking for let's say we're looking for a sales representative for a company. For your page, of course, if you don't have a page, of course you want to create a Facebook page. Of course, you want to see, if you want to volunteer, contract, full-time, all of that stuff. Then you want to post the job description. So you want to just overall have like a sentence of what your company is and what the job is overall. Then you want to have like the benefits here as well. And you want to use emojis / bullet points. So I like to use this emoji when I'm saying the benefits overall. So like if I have a medical benefit, I would just have that here, for example. And I just like using emojis because they stand out overall. And then you can see in real time that it's updated here. So you can put your description here and what you're looking for. And then I like to put the benefits first, and then I like to put in bullets the responsibilities that they'll be responsible for. And then at the end, I like to put, share if you know someone that fits this role. And that's pretty much it. It's very basic, straight to the point. And then for work location, if your job's remote, you can say yes, no, whatever. And then you want to put the location that you're in so that way you can help you reach the closest candidates, of course. The salary range, I like to put this. You can say the minimum or maximum salary. You can say anywhere, anywhere between $20 to $30 an hour, something like that, based on your experience, for example. And then you can also just put per hour, per week, per month, per year, something like that. Whatever you plan on paying the person, you should put it there because you're more likely to get people to apply if they know what they're getting into. Next thing you want to do is put on the benefits. So here's just some benefits you can do. So if you have medical insurance, dental insurance, so paid time off, 401k, put all the benefits you have. Of course, if there's no benefit here that they mention, you want to mention it in the description. But even if you can have medical insurance twice, of course you just want to reinforce the benefits of working with your company because right now, candidates have a lot of companies to choose from, so you want to emphasize that you're the one that your company offers the most benefits and all that kind of stuff, right? Schedule, if you have like a schedule, you can put that there, fixed weekly schedule or anything like that if you have that. If not, put that there. And then screening questions. So this is very important, or else you're going to get a bunch of applicants who are not qualified. You want to put questions, based on like, do you have any experience using this? You want to ask 2 or 3 questions. So the more questions you ask, the higher quality that you can expect. But don't ask way too many questions because even the best candidate will is not going to answer all those questions overall. Because keep in mind that we're on Facebook, and overall, with Facebook, people, they didn't come to Facebook to apply for jobs. They came to look at like cat videos and stuff like that. But if they see a job that they're interested, they're going to apply. But you don't want to take up too much of their time. So ask 2 to 3 questions. Questions I like to ask are, what's your experience like? And do you have a valid driver's license? All like the basic mandatory things people need to have. And then I also like to ask, when is the best time for me to call? So that way they can put, oh, here's the best time that you can reach out to me and call, etc., etc. And that way they can expect your call at a specific day and time. And then you can require a resume or past experience. Facebook's going to automatically have you give them the option to upload a resume. So if you want the best quality, then you can do this. If you're more looking for quantity, then I wouldn't recommend this on. And then the people have to upload a resume, so take a little bit more time, but that they're serious about getting this job. And of course, let me just go through this. Ask questions. You could do free text, yes or no, or multiple choice. I highly recommend multiple choice. Like 2 multiple choice and 1 free text question based on the experience is overall the best. And then what you do here, you could just click on next. And then here you can see, you can post the job here. You can post it in more places, like in your page and stuff. Facebook's going to also let you share it. So you can possibly take it and then share it on other social media and stuff like that. And then if you want to turn it into an ad, you can boost it as well. But I recommend just watching one of my other videos, which shows you how to do it step by step the right way, because boosting it, you're not going to get all the capabilities that you have if you just went and used a Facebook ad manager. So that's pretty much it. That's how you post a job on Facebook. And very simple, straightforward, to the point. If you want to see a more in-depth tutorial on how to get qualified employees, being able to have more control, ask more questions, and do all that kind of stuff, watch the video up there, how to find employees on Facebook. It's doing very well, and it's helped out a lot of people. I'm sure it'll help you out too. See you guys in that video. Take care.